September is not asking for your readiness, it's asking for your presence. This month strips the costume changes. Mercury stations direct on the 7th in sidereal Leo. Saturn steadies in Pisces all month. The nodes hold the Leo-Aquarius axis through both eclipses. Translation: the universe is done with your dress rehearsal. Here's what's actually happening in the sidereal sky and what you do with it. September opens with Sun and Mercury in Leo, Venus softening in Cancer, Mars sharpening in Virgo. But the real news is that total lunar eclipse on the 7th in Aquarius. This isn't your drama button, it's your delete key. Write 3 things you're done pretending about. Burn the paper or flush it. Begin one real thing by sunset that day. After the eclipse dust settles, Mercury picks up speed in Leo through mid-month. The sun shifts toward Virgo around the 16th, and suddenly you're in editing season, not creating season. Your body already knows. It's why you're craving warm breakfast and earlier bedtime. This is when you delete 5 commitments. Cook 1 pot of soup. Set your sleep alarm, not just your wake alarm. Then comes the equinox on the 22nd. Sun enters sidereal Virgo. Day equals night. Venus glides into Leo while Mars approaches Libra. This is your measurement moment, not your doing moment. Track one thing for 3 days. Food, mood, sleep, movement. Just track, don't fix. Let the data show you what needs to shift. By month's end, we get a new moon in Virgo near the 28th. Mercury joins the sun there, while Jupiter holds steady in Gemini. This isn't about planting big dreams. It's about planting Tuesday. Choose 3 daily anchors for October. Same breakfast, same walk time, same book before bed. Boring saves brilliance. Now let me tell you what September does to your body, because the Ayurvedic truth matters here. September increases vata, air and space elements. You'll feel it as scattered thoughts, dry skin, cold hands, maybe some anxiety creeping in. Counter it with oil, routine, and root vegetables. Start your morning with warm water, then warm breakfast. No raw anything before noon. Make lunch your biggest meal when the sun is highest. End with soup, silence, and sesame oil on your feet before bed. This isn't wellness theater. This is how you stay sane when the seasons shift. For yoga, 15 minutes beats 60 this month. 3 sun salutations, 5 standing poses held for 5 breaths each. 1 seated forward fold, then shavasana. Same sequence daily. Let September build your foundation, not your flexibility. And here's a breath pattern that actually works. 4-7-8 breathing before each meal. Inhale 4 counts, hold 7, exhale 8, 3 rounds. This tells your nervous system food is coming in peace, not panic. September knows something August didn't. Consistency is the new creativity. This eclipse season, lunar on the 7th, solar on the 21st, isn't bringing plot twists. It's bringing clarity. What you've been considering since February becomes obvious. What you've been forcing since June stops working. Mars entering Libra late month means action happens through partnership, not push. Jupiter in Gemini means you learn by teaching. Saturn in Pisces means boundaries become medicine. Stop asking if you're ready. Start asking what's already here. September doesn't need your perfection. It needs your Tuesday morning, your Thursday evening, your Saturday grocery list. It needs you to stop treating your life like a rehearsal and start treating today like the only show in town. The sign you needed? You're living in it. September is 30 days of universe saying, begin where you are, use what you have, do what's next. Tomorrow starts tonight. Set out your morning clothes, prep your breakfast, charge your phone outside your bedroom. Small moves, September. Small moves. Subscribe if this landed. Share if someone needs to hear it. But first, go do that one thing you thought of while listening. That's your September. Now, make it real.